Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through a really fun and useful tutorial, how to create a custom button animation with images in Wix, and how you can customize that button to show just about anything you want. By the end of this video, you'll be able to design interactive buttons that don't just look cool, but really elevate the way visitors experience your site. Whether you're running a portfolio, an online store, or just want to add a personal touch to your web page, this skill is going to be a game changer. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Wix editor and head over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the button that says Add Element. This is your toolbox for everything you'd want to add to your site, from text to images and, of course, buttons. Type Animated Buttons into the search bar at the top of the panel. This speeds up your workflow by jumping you straight to the specific features you need without scrolling endlessly or hunting through folders. Think of the search bar like asking a helpful librarian for the book you need, instead of wandering the stacks alone. Once animated buttons pop up, click on it and drag one over to your page. Now, it's time to let your creativity shine. Click the settings option that appears for the animated button. This is where you get hands-on control. You'll see a list of sample animations. These are ready-made, which is great if you want something quick. But today, we're pushing a bit further and making our own. So don't be afraid to go off script. Instead of settling for the pre-made choices, look for the little plus sign, which lets you add a new animation. Go ahead and click it. This opens up all new opportunities to design something unique. If you're nervous about breaking anything, don't worry. You can always undo, and these settings won't affect your whole site, just the button you're working on. Now, you'll see an option to Create New. This is where the magic happens. Start by selecting your Start icon. This is the image or symbol the button will show before anyone interacts with it. Imagine this as the greeting handshake, the first impression your button gives. Wix offers a wide variety to choose from, whether it's a playful emoji, a bold arrow, or even a custom upload. Pick something that fits the vibe or action you want users to take. Maybe a shopping cart for Add to Cart, a pencil for Edit Profile, or a camera for View Gallery. Next, you'll set the End icon. This is the image your button will transform into when someone hovers over or clicks it. The difference between these two icons is what truly makes your button animated and attention-grabbing. It's like opening a door. The outside and the inside can have two very different appearances, and you want both to feel inviting and intentional. Once you've chosen both your start and end icons, take a breath. It's time to see your work in action. Click the Preview option. This part might take a few moments while Wix loads the animation, so be patient. When you hover or click on the button, you should see it change smoothly from your start icon to your end icon. At this point, experiment a little. Try different images, different transitions, or even play with the timing if Wix lets you adjust that. Real artistry with buttons comes from testing what feels expressive and intuitive for your visitors. And that's it. You've built a custom animated button using images, and you've unlocked the ability to make it represent anything you want for your site. I hope these steps helped clarify not just the how, but also the why behind customizing your buttons. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, animated or not, and subscribe for more guides like this. Drop any questions or cool button ideas you have down in the comments. I always love hearing what you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.